Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off notification vibration in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. First of all, in your phone, go to settings. Then go to sounds and vibration. And here select vibrate for notifications. Just it is already turned on, so you will get notifications vibration whenever you receive any notifications, some notifications, it will get along with vibration. Okay, if you would like to turn off notification vibration, just turn off this button so that you will not get any vibration for notifications that you receive in your phone. So in this way you can easily turn off or disable notifications vibration in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.